with me, but lazy jumpers are not just for the couch.
No, they're for everything. Just
Style.
wait and see. Yes, they're for style.
Now we're both 6, so we're a bit croaky, a bit sexy, a bit like sex hotline. Who's calling?
Is that what we're like?
Yeah.
I'm anything but sexy today.
I'm like, hello.
You might be. I am just, I don't even want to do this. Just saying.
Well, you can leave.
No, you know I can't do that.
All right, let's get into it. So we've got some cool new jumpers. You might as well start because she might fade at any minute.
I might fade, exactly. Okay, so classic pant, mixing my animals, doing a front tuck and making it work. I was actually going to pop on a blazer, but you know what? I think this looks so cool just like this.
So do I. I do too. I really like it. And it's tonal.
It's tonal.
It works.
So it's very, oh, there you go. It's classic. I just popped it out then. It has fabulous pockets there, so we don't have to do a front tuck, but I kind of like it just slouchy like this.
I do too.
Yeah, I don't think you need to do a front tuck, but if you did, it still looks good. Have a look. Might even do a side tuck. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, it still looks cool. It's lightweight enough that you can do a bit of a tuck and look great. I mean, it gives me a bit more of a leggy look. Like I said, though, I don't mind wearing it out and just using it like a real cozy feel like this. Maybe I'll pop my blazer on just on my shoulders just to see if it works. Because you know how I like to make an entrance, excuse me, with a blazer. Can you help me, please?
What am I doing?
Oh, sorry. Maybe I didn't give very good instructions. Put the hoodie out. Yep. There we go. So you get this look. Very, very trendy look. I must admit, looks good. In fact, I'll probably wear it like this. I don't know if I'd put my arms in the actual jacket, but I think it's got style like this. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I do.
Very stylish. Looks a bit European.
Yeah, it does actually.
And I'll leave my platforms on. Actually, some of you are saying you love my platforms. You know what? Go for a platform whenever you can, because if you want longer legs like me, that's the way to go.
And I also have one of our new hoodies on. It's like a black, so cozy, this jumper. And then it's just got some white, they're knitted in stripes, so it's not actually a printed on. It's actually knitted through, which always looks really beautiful in quality, and it just kind of has that beautiful scrumptious feel. Now what I've done is I wanted to wear it with my Miracle pants, which are these. I'm wearing a size 10 in the black coated Miracle pants. They are our 3.0 version, so they've got the double lining over the tummy for a keeps you nice and juicy and flat. Then, so I could get that coverage over my backside, I've got one of our Charlie shirts worn underneath. I've buttoned all the way up to the collar just so you can get a bit of a peekaboo there, and it's giving me that really nice kind of stepped feeling with my outfit. I've just done a pair of sneakers because I still want to be comfy and casual, and I've unbuttoned my cuffs so you can get that little bit of extra zhuzh out of your outfit. But this jumper I'm wearing, is it a small? Can you check?
It is a small.
It's a small. It's an absolute winner. I highly recommend it. I absolutely love it.
I think I'll own George first. I absolutely love this. I've got some going home with it. They're all size small, so it's probably a little bit on the big side. I feel like I've shrunk. In fact, I have shrunk, but anyway, that's all good. It'll come back pretty soon. And one of our new necklaces, it's called, I don't know, but it should be called the Sun and the Moon or something, because it just looks beautiful. So it's real pearls, 2 real pearls, a baroque pearl and just a freshwater pearl, and this gorgeous sun. Have a look at that. If you're into stars, how nice. Anyway, just hanging fantastic, but when you're wearing knitwear, that's why we have this range of fabulous long chains like that. Maybe I'll get a bit closer so everyone can see. There we go. And this is with the top worn out. I'm going to zhuzh now because it's what you do when you wear anything like this, especially being a knit. You zhuzh, and also I've rolled it around a few times and I'm kind of wearing it as a bit of a hipster so it doesn't fall off me, but I think that's a cool look. And I like this just hanging down as well. I don't know if I want to tuck this in either.
You don't have to.
Mind you, with the pockets you don't need to, but it's a cool look, yeah?
Yeah, I like it. Bit of fun, especially with the platforms. It makes it, it's tonal, but they're very unexpected mismatch of prints.
It's a fabulous knit, by the way, super stretchy. I'll sort of show you the back of the fabric. Cozy, and it's warm, and it's kind of brushed on this side anyway, so that you do get that really warm feel. And I did plan to put on a jacket here. I'll show you, because somehow red and this colour on me works well. I'm going to pop it on. When it's a big blazer, it's easy to pop on. Okay, I'm going to do that hoodie out again. Yeah, I like it like this. Look at that. That looks cool. Does that work? Yeah. Nice. Raises it a level, I think.
Makes it like a little bit more suited to the office rather than just hanging
rather than
around.
the casual, hanging around. Mind you, it wasn't bad, like, without the blazer, but I think with the blazer, it just kind of says boss, yeah?
Yeah, I agree.
Gorgeous combo. Come up a bit closer so you can have another look. Yep.
Very cute. Okay, now my other favourite way to wear a jumper is with a bias cut skirt, or even if it's not the bias cut, go for something that's really silky. And I love the sort of the polar opposite of the chunky and street style kind of sporty inspired knit with your very feminine floaty skirt. So our bias skirts are amazing, but if you're not into that style, you can do a heap of our other shapes. You just play around, do a soft front tuck. So I have on, don't know what this is exactly called, but it's something bias skirt. Maybe our moderator can pop up a link for you guys. We do have a few different versions, but all of them will look great. I've kept the shirt on. Sorry, Mum's making a mess.
I'm swearing in the background. I'm glad you can't hear me.
I've left the shirt on just so I get those steps at the back. And again, I'm going to leave my cuffs out, but you can just remove the shirt if you just want something simple and just wear a cami. I just thought this was a bit of fun because I had it on anyway. And a sneaker. A boot would also look amazing.
I'm laughing because I said I don't have enough outfits, so I had to ring in an outfit really quickly, and I just found this was the other outfit. That's what happens when you're not quite with it in the line. But doesn't this look sensational? I really didn't need to find another outfit. Oh, let's have a good laugh while we're at it. Why not? It might make us feel better. Anyway, this is the other colour to the jumper that Lauren's wearing. Are you going to come back out with the black and white in a moment? Because look at this. What a combo. It looks brilliant. Obviously, you can wear it with any colour because it's a neutral, but I thought I'd go crazy and keep it with that print. So it's like, I don't know, it's like zebra stripes with animal print. That's kind of what I feel this looks like. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I like that.
Zebra,
It does have that vibe.
So there's the black and white one, and this is the neutral one. I think this is pretty cool. I'd probably do bright red boots with this outfit. There's no bright red here, and I don't have any. I do have.
What'd you do then?
Yeah, maybe. Let's try it. Mind you, I like my platforms with so many things, it's hard to go for something else, and I'll probably have to take
Not the socks. Yeah, the socks have to go.
Oh, okay.
Get rid of the socks. Oh my God, they're nana. They're nana. You'll never see them again. I'm sorry, but they're nana.
No, because
they are.
No, remember that if you were, what was it, under 40, you don't do those.
No, but they're not the kind of socks they meant.
Yes, they did.
No, they're not.
What kind of socks?
They meant like the sport white socks.
Well, that would look ridiculous.
Yes, it would. That would look pretty. Anyway, I like that. I think that works.
But these shoes look great. Finally, I can wear them.
Yeah, those shoes look good when you're not showing too much leg. As soon as you're showing a lot of leg, that's when they don't work.
Really?
Yeah, because I've got them, so I've been testing
how
them
about
out.
this? That's showing a bit more leg. That looks all right.
Yeah, no, they look good, but I'm saying heaps of leg, they don't look good.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
you can't do like, you mean like...
You don't like a skirt.
Like that.
A short skirt.
Like
yeah,
that.
no, see, they look bad. Yeah.
No.
Get it down, get it down, get it down.
Nana, and...
Get it down.
Nana.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Phew, got rid of that real quick. But this one's pretty cool.
Yeah, I love that.
Okay, now I've got...
That's cute.
Am I going to show one more outfit, which I didn't need after all?
Yeah. All right,
this your last
Sharon prefers the socks.
Thank you, Sharon.
Yes. Sharon.
Yes, and yes.
Okay, while Faye's getting on her other outfit that was just the lucky door prize, we do have a few of our barrel jeans and our corset jeans, excuse the buttons are undone, but you get the idea, back in stock because a lot of you bought 2 sizes, tried them both, returned the one that wasn't right, and I just noticed that we had a few now. Speaking of sizes, I'm wearing a size 10 here. I'm normally a size 8, so they look really big, but you get the
sure
idea.
they're a 10?
Yeah.
Can I just be, I hate to say, look at that label.
Oh, they're a 12.
You can't see if they're a 12. There you
Oh,
go.
oops. Okay, yeah, I thought they felt oddly big. Okay, I've gone up 2 sizes.
I
Sorry,
thought you were
guys.
very game to actually go for the...
Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay, this is the idea of how they will look. I'm just going to hold. And I also...
I actually didn't mind them super big, to be quite honest.
Yeah, they weren't bad because I have worn the 10 before and they look fantastic. So
Yeah.
size up if you want. Now, a lot of you were asking, can you give us some ideas of how to wear the barrel jean, but we had none. So now I'm just incorporating it in, even if they are the wrong size, where possible. So I've kept that shirt on because why not? I think it looks a bit fun. I've done a front tuck with my jumper, but now what I want to do is I actually want to pop a blazer over my shoulders as well. And when you're going to do a blazer with a hoodie, guys, you're always going to...
Pull it out to one hand.
No, it's okay. Pull out the hood. Now I've got to hold my pants up at the same time, so...
Do you want a belt?
No, that's okay.
No?
You get the idea.
Yeah.
Is that a terrible...
No, looks good.
You get the idea, right?
Looks good. Look,
One hand is
honestly,
holding my pants.
Today, you're probably thinking, I can't be bothered, but when it's cold, you will bother. You know, lots of layers. Shirt, hoodie, jacket. Yep. And you'll be nice and warm.
Yeah, and I do love the combination of the navy, the black, the white and the neutral.
Sophisticated.
It's very
Yes, very
sophisticated.
sophisticated.
And then I've just got on a pair of ballet flats because I thought sneakers will make it look very street. But what about if you want to make it look very feminine? That's when you're going to want to
Parisienne.
I feel very French.
Yeah, I know. All of a sudden, as soon as you put a ballet flat on, it makes it Parisienne.
It
Don't
does.
ask me why. It's just like wearing a point makes you Italian.
Ah, does it?
Wearing sneakers makes you an Aussie.
Oh yeah, they're very Aussie.
Yeah,
It's very
you know,
casual.
like Melbourne, Sydney. It's almost Sydney, I reckon, a sneaker.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
And if you want to wear a snake boot, it's Melbourne.
Oh, as you do, girls, as you do. I
just threw that in.
How good are those boots?
I know. You know what happened yesterday?
Oh.
I tried these on, and you know what I did?
What?
Bought a pair.
Oh my
Because
god.
I thought, I'm having these, but they're actually a size too big. They're Lauren's.
How good are they? $60.
I know. So I went online. Now, this does not help any company out there, so please don't repeat it. Haha, of course we'll repeat it. They were all the same as Target, $60, except they were ranging from, I don't know, $3,500 down to the 60, so I went for the 60. And guess what?
I think Target needs a moment though. They've been
they've
potentially
been
in struggle town. Sorry.
Yeah, so help them out.
Target.
Buy a pair of these boots. Yeah,
They're good. They
So
also
I
come
did.
in black, but I don't think I like the black.
No, look, I
They need to
don't
be
hate the black, but who needs them? I think these are really stylish.
That outfit is amazing and I
Yeah.
love it with that jumper.
Yeah, well, I've got the shorts and I was going to wear it today.
I've got the shorts too and
Yeah.
I've got the boots.
Well,
I'm going to have to
that's
get that
what,
jumper.
that's what I'm going to wear.
Tomorrow we're going to come in the same outfit.
Oh my goodness. No, I haven't got the boots yet. They haven't arrived. I bought them today. No,
Okay.
last night. I bought them last
Oh yeah,
night.
Target's not that good.
They're not that
They're good,
fast.
but they're not that fast. Alright, Heidi's just asking a question. What is the knit in the Lions jumper? It's kind of like... Oh,
It's the same as we've always had it. It's our quality knit.
yeah, but Heidi thought it might be our luxe knit. It's not
Oh,
that.
no, it's a knitwear. It's like real knitwear, traditional knitwear.
You'll love it,
Is that
Heidi.
what you mean? Yeah.
You
yeah,
would-
the same as the knitwear that we've had all the year.
Yeah, it's
Years
beautiful
prior.
and weighty
This
and
guy- this
stretchy.
Yeah, well look, I'll explain about the combination. It's 50% viscose, 30% poly and 20% nylon, but that combination is beautifully held together by the nylon. It's a very strong fibre and it makes it a quality yarn and is pill resistant. All knitwear is going to pill, even your $1,000, $1,500, $3,500 knitwear, it's all going to pill, but it's just resistant, you know? Yeah, so there you go, so it's quality, good quality.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again tomorrow.
I think we didn't do too bad considering we're both sick.
I think we did pretty crap
Yeah.
actually, but that's okay.
No, we didn't do crap. We did well. Anyway, bye for now. Mwah.
Okay?